one day I happened to be brushing them or eating something, and I noticed, looking in the mirror, that my teeth at the bottom didn't feel right. And I went to him, I said, look, I think my teeth are wearing out. And he said, well, that does happen, which I was very surprised to learn, that your teeth wear out. I said, what can I do about that? Can you fix them? He said, well, my suggestion would be to have veneers. And I said, well, that's a good idea. What is that? And he explained it to me, and I had them done, and I've been very pleased with it. I was a little hesitant at first because I didn't know what it was all about. But he told me not to worry, that it would be fine. And I had confidence in him, and I figured something had to be done. Well, when you get veneers, they have to fix the teeth that are in your mouth. They don't remove them, but they fix them in such a way that they can place the veneers in, and they can fit the veneers right over your teeth. It's just magic how they do it. It's just magic, and I look and I go, what are you doing? And I was amazed when it was done. I just was amazed how they do it, because I thought it would be more serious, and I thought it would hurt, and it didn't really hurt at all. Since the work has been done, I have much more confidence when I face people and I talk, because I'm so aware of my teeth are so much nicer now than they were, because they just didn't look right before. I could see where I was losing my teeth, and I was afraid other people noticed it. So I was very happy to have the veneers done.